Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize the start screen in Safari on macOS Big Sur. Now the start screen is a view that is presented to you when you open Safari that gives you a nice visually appealing way to see your favorites and other pieces of information with a nice background to help you choose what you want to do in your browsing session. So if I go to Safari, you'll see that I've got my start screen right here. So mine shows my favourites, frequently visited, privacy report and a few other things, but depending on how your Mac is set up, you might not actually have your start screen visible when you open Safari. So to first enable and make sure that it is going to appear, what you have to do is go to Safari in the top left hand corner and just go down to where it says Preferences. And from here, make sure you're on the General tab. And then you'll see that the second option down is New Windows Open With, and then the third option is New Tabs Open With. So you can choose whether you want the start screen to appear every time you open a new window by just clicking here, and you can choose anything else if you want. But if you want the start page, make sure it's on that, and the same goes for new tabs. So by default, I think for some people it goes to home page or empty page. But just make sure it's on the start page if you want it to do that, and then you can close your preferences. In the bottom right corner of the start screen, you can see we have this little icon here, and if I click on that, I get given some options. So I can choose to hide or show any of these different sections. So if perhaps I decide I don't want to really see my reading list here, I can just click that, and if I scroll down, you can see that's now disappeared. And if I don't want there to be a background image, I can kind of untick that, and that's now changed to just sort of a translucent dark view, which will change to a light view if you're in light mode. But let me just turn my background image on, and when I do so, you can see at the bottom here I've got the option to change the background image. So I can click the plus icon, and that will basically just open up a Finder window where I can select any image that's on my Mac as the background image. Or I can just scroll horizontally through the kind of built-in images that I can use. So if I want to say this one here, I just click it and that's now my new background. So that's basically how the start screen works. It's a nice way to make your browsing experience a bit more colourful when you turn it on, because traditionally it's just sort of gone to your home page or just showed nothing. So this makes for a nicer experience. If you've got any questions or comments, then do leave them in the comments section of this video. And do remember to like this video if you found it helpful. Please also subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you get notified when any new videos come out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.